Okay, so let's see installation of Ansible on Linux. Just going to explain you how to do that. So for that, I have already provisioned one instance on AWS Cloud, and I have connected to that using PuTTY. So this is the instance which I have provisioned, and I have already connected to it. Let's try to set up Ansible on this machine. Okay, just see if any updates to run. Okay, we need to change to root user. Let's do that. Yum install update. Okay, so no updates to run. Fine. Now just try to install the Linux. Sorry, Ansible. So for that, you just not need to pass on this command yum install Ansible, and yes. Okay, so currently if you see, there is no package Ansible available on this machine. And it says that Ansible is available in Amazon Linux extra topics Ansible 2. So for that, we just need to install this first. Okay, so it's installing Ansible now. To download. So it's giving you the site, just taking the confirmation, just say yes. Okay, so the Ansible installation is done now. And to verify that, you can just pass on this command to check the version of Ansible. So it's 2.9.2.3. It's installed now, and it will be residing inside etc directory. So if you see here, you will see the Ansible directory now. And then you have the hosts and then the configuration file. So we'll see in future videos how to make an use of these files. But yeah, I mean, it's the simple way of installing Ansible on Amazon Linux. So I'll see you in the next videos. We'll try to do the configurations, and we'll try to do some activities through Ansible on other nodes. Okay, so I'll see you in the next video. Thanks.